Let's be real, guys. If your YouTube videos are getting almost no views, it is not the algorithm, it is your fault. You are the problem. And here is why. Problem number one, your titles are boring. No one feels curious enough to click. Meaning that your titles are not clickable. If people are not clicking your title, it could be that it is not curious enough to click. Okay? Yes, it is not, they do not feel that the curiosity to know what this video is talking about. And here is what you need to do before you make your title. Okay, make sure you do your research. This research comes before you even make your video. How do you do this? First of all, you have to research. Go to answerthepublic.com, go to YouTube search. Okay, look for what people are looking for. Okay, what people are looking for. Answer specific questions. You need to answer questions. So your title must be, one that answers questions that people will feel, oh, let me click this and see if this title, if this video can answer my question. So when you get the questions that people are asking, okay, you make a video on it, and then you go to, you can use chat GPT. Okay, you throw in the idea of your video and ask chat GPT to give you a very catchy, title that will be captivating enough to draw curiosity to your video. Then once you get that title, okay, boom, you post it. It's gonna, make people to click. So you need to start making a clickable word title. Okay, clickable title, very very important. Now the second problem, okay, that could, lead to not getting views on your video is this: your thumbnail look messy. People don't know what to expect. Now it may interest you to know that thumbnail, okay, plays a huge, vital, role to you getting plenty views. Yes, thumbnail can attract viewers to view. Thumbnail can attract them to stop and see what this video is all about. If your thumbnail is not, catchy, if your thumbnail is not, good for, for people to stop by and see what it is, then you keep losing views. So if your thumbnail is messy, okay, people will be confused. Let me not even waste my data on this one. I don't even know what to expect. Okay, now to correct this, okay, you have to go. You can also seek for the help of Chat GPT. Okay, you can ask Chat GPT, use your title. Okay, when you get to Chat GPT, tell Chat GPT that you want it to give you, a good, captivating, eye catching thumbnail. Okay, that resonates with your title. ChatGPT will give it to you. Even ChatGPT will also help you to create such thumbnail. And now what you need to do is to go to your CapCut and recreate it using the idea you've gotten from ChatGPT. So with this, your thumbnail will be the one that will make viewers on YouTube to stop and listen. The third problem you could be facing, okay, towards getting views on your video is that you're posting random topics and YouTube finds it difficult to recommend people to you, or they don't even know who to recommend you to. Today you are posting about your weekend vlog. The next day you are posting about your market vlog. The other day you are posting about church activities. The other day you are posting about how to make money with affiliate marketing. It's just so confusing. You are posting randomly. You get, this is where niche comes in. Okay, that's, you need to select a niche. Okay, niche that that you are very good at. You don't need to be everywhere on YouTube. Do not be everywhere. Just be very good at one niche or in one niche. Okay, yes. So YouTube, you are making the algorithm confused. They don't know who to push your video to, and that is why you are not getting views. So you just need to maintain one particular topic, one particular niche. You can even try to niche down to those niche, okay, and get more ideas. Now, in that niche, make sure that you are answering people's questions. answer people's questions. The only reason people come to YouTube is because they have questions that they need answer to, and your video should be doing that. So if you start answering their questions, your video will start having engagement, and YouTube will start pushing it out to the audience that are coming to watch it. So this is where I'm going to round it up. Okay, if this video interests you, do not forget to subscribe for more videos on this. And remember, subscribing is very free. It's free of charge. Just subscribe, okay, and stay tuned with us. I'm your friend Sylvia. Until my next video, see you. Bye.